Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to our mathematics channel. We have kicked off once again for the year. For this year, we are going to start on the soft note with an algebraic expression. Here we have an expression given. They are asking us to simplify 2 plus x in brackets, multiplying x minus 1 in bracket, divided by 6 minus 3x, divided by x squared plus x minus 2 all over 4 minus 2x. When we have this type of expression, if we start multiplying numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator, it becomes more complex. So what do? We think, since they say simplify this, break it down, make it to be easier. If we start multiplying, we are making it to become more complex. So what we do is we look for what can actually cancel out. Remember, because this is in a bracket and this is in a bracket, they form a unit and you cannot cancel out one part of it. The same applies here. So long as they are separated by a plus or minus, they form a unit and you cannot cancel out one part of it. So the approach here is to factorize. Factorize and see if you can get elements of the components of the bracket, and then you can cancel out all as a unit. So let's take the next step. Here we cannot do anything again, we keep that. X minus 1 in the numerator. In the denominator, 2 is a common factor here. 2 can go into, 3 is a common factor, 3 can go into this, and 3 can go into 6. So if we take 3 out, 3 into 6, we have 2, 3 into 3x will give us x. So we have 2 minus x. Now on this side, let's also factorize. Let's leave this, we will come back to it later. This is trinomial factorization. We are looking for two numbers that we can add to give us a coefficient of x, which is 1, and multiply to give us negative 2. So if we have 2 and minus 1. 2 minus 1 will give us 1. 2 times negative 1 will give us 2. All over in the denominator as well. 2 is our common factor. 2 can divide it, 2 can divide it. If we take it out, we have 2 minus x. Now the next approach is actually to now change this division sign to multiplication sign. Remember, when fractions are involved and you change division sign to multiplication sign, you can swap the following fraction. So let's go. So we still have 2 plus x and x minus 1 divided by 3 into 2 minus x times. You see now, we bring the denominator up, divided by, we take the numerator down. Now we can look out for what can actually cancel out here. Remember, when you are cancelling out fractions, it has to be cancelled out between a numerator and a denominator. You cannot cancel out denominator and denominator or numerator and numerator. So let's see what can actually cancel out here. X minus 1 as a unit can take out x minus 1 as a unit. X plus 2 is the same thing as 2 plus x. It's plus here, so this can take out this. 2 minus x can take out 2 minus x. So whatever that is left, that becomes the simplified version. So our simplified version of this is, for the numerator we have only 2 left, and for the denominator we have 3 left. So this becomes the answer to this solution. This becomes the simplified version. Remember, factorization must be applied. Do not multiply out, it becomes more complex and you cannot solve. So this is the solution. If you have questions, remember the same approach. Always ask. And we believe that we'll start the year in a good notes and we'll do better things. I'll see you in the next week.